Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account on phone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app and tap on menu option. Okay, then tap on settings and click on see more in account center. Scroll down, then tap on personal details. Okay, after that tap on account ownership and control. Tap on this option and click on Facebook profile, then tap on delete account and click on continue. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.